Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So I am in town, Sierra Vista. I'm going to take this DYU C2, take it for a little ride. Basically, I just want to see how many miles I can go on its charge, full charge. Got a trip meter on here and a speedometer, so I can test it out. Just see how far I can go. May not go all the way to the end of the battery, but we shall see. I've not took it on a long ride yet. 7.8 mile an hour. I'm in low, mode 1, and wide open, uphill, here in the parking lot. It's not a speed bump, it's a speed hump. Put it in mode 2, and it really kicked up the pace quite a bit. So I'm pretty much going to be just doing electric the whole time, just to see how it goes. Then, I don't know, 10, 11 mile an hour in mode 2, or mode 3. It's pretty close to the speedometer on here. It says 14, I'm doing 14.7, 15, 14.8, so yeah, it's pretty close, 14 to 15 mile an hour. The little speedometer that comes on the DYU C2 and then the GPS here. So I've went a half a mile so far. I want to just see, let's see how far she'll go. If I want to go too far, I'll have to pedal back. It's a nice day. It's like, well, it says 91. It don't feel that warm. I think it's a little less than that probably, but it says 91. I think it's about 85, 87, somewhere in there. Rain on the way, so got to get this over with now, because here in a couple hours it's going to be raining. And the wind was blowing terrible last night and raining. As you can see, it blowed that outhouse right there over. That could be a nasty mess. I don't want to get too close to that. Might have some leakage. Not bad. It's not a fast bike, but it's darn sure it's a fun little bike anyway. We'll go out here and go around this track one time just see what happens. I definitely ain't gonna try jumping nothing, that's for sure. Hey, it'll pull itself up. It'll pull itself up to jump, because it did. She does a pretty good job pulling itself right up these little jumps. Ain't no powerhouse, but hey, it done it. Back out on the pavement here. This is not a off-road mountain bike or anything anyway, so it does have little fat tires on it, but they're not off-road tires. Not gonna break no land speed records with this thing, but it does exactly what it's supposed to do. We've went 1.4 miles so far. A bit of wind blowing through this way. Actually feels pretty good. This says bike lane here. 3 miles so far. Okay, 5 miles so far. That lady's probably faster than I am. So I have went 7 miles and I'm down 1 bar. It has 5 bars when it's full charge. It's on 4 bars right now. Not too bad for 7 miles. 10.2 miles and we're down to 2 bars. So we're 3 bars down from 5. So this test is to see how far it'll go without no pedaling. And I'm going up and down hills and I'm 235 pounds. So a little guy or gal probably be a big difference over me. My goodness, I think we got a river here. Okay, I am at 13 miles. I just dropped down to 1 bar left out of 5. So probably not much further now at 13 miles. And now you got to consider that's a 235-pound rider riding up and down hills. But the uphills is what really took it, I think. And I've been pretty much in speed 3 and wide open the whole time with no pedal assist at all. I've been just using the electric. Okay, we are 15 miles. We're back down to 1 bar. Just setting a little bit. It kind of come up 1, but really it was down to 1 bar. Bound to run dead eventually. Okay, we are at 17.2 miles, and it's actually the 1 bar is blinking, so I'd say it's saying you're done. Let's see if we can make it back to Walmart, where I parked the Gladiator. I'm sure it'll go that far. But I guess that kind of gives you a warning that, hey, you better get somewhere soon because you're about dead. Your battery's about dead anyway. But that's pretty good. So you're talking about 18 miles by the time I get back, something like that. And that's, like I say, again, 235-pound rider, up and down hills, pretty much wide open the whole time, other than when I have to stop at the stoplights and wait there. But otherwise, that's pretty much using the battery pretty hard. So if a person casual rode and pedaled and, like I normally would do if I was with my wife or something, well, you'd be good to go well over 20 miles. So definitely when it gets down to 1 bar blinking, it does start slowing down on your power. It's more like you're set to a low power on the speed, like number 1, because that's wide open. We're only doing 9.9, 10. That's as fast as she's gonna go. She's just down to nothing. What's that priest? She's getting slow now. Oh, tree blew down from the storm last night. She's gonna make it 18 miles right now. We can say 18 miles good with a 235-pound rider, up and down hills, wide open, and high range. That's actually pretty good. There we go. Okay, guys, that was a DYU C2. See how far it'd go with me on it. Pretty darn good. I'm impressed. Find a little bike to ride. I'm going to load this thing up and get to the house. Thank you all for watching. I will post a link where you can get one of these below. Check out the rest of my videos. Catch you on the next one. Right on.